Welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender. If you're a fan of an APEROL SPRITZ, make sure you stick around because I'm going to test out two different versions and let you know which is the best APEROL SPRITZ recipe. The first APEROL SPRITZ recipe I'm going to try is from their bottle and their marketing campaigns, which calls for 3 parts of Prosecco, 2 parts APEROL, and 1 part soda water. So fill the glass with ice, add 60 ml of APEROL. For those who don't know, a bittersweet liqueur made from bitter and sweet oranges, rhubarb, gentian, cinchona. And then I'm just going to guesstimate this. So 3 parts being 90 ml, 3 ounces. And 1 part, so just a splash of soda. Then to garnish, just a slice of orange. If you are interested in APEROL SPRITZ, make sure you stick around for tomorrow's video as well, which I'll go a little bit more in depth to the history and the background of the Venetian Spritz and the original version of the Spritz. So there you have the 3-2-1 APEROL SPRITZ, and I'll very quickly make the next one, which actually comes from the PDT cocktail book. I was flicking through yesterday and saw this recipe, and it's what inspired me to make the video. So this calls for 60 ml, 2 ounces of APEROL, 30 ml, 1 ounce, so less Prosecco, 30 ml, 1 ounce of soda. Again, I'm just estimating. And then it calls for 15 ml, half an ounce, well I'm not going to measure this, of freshly squeezed orange juice. I'm estimating, keeping it rough. And garnish that with a slice of orange as well. So there you have 2 different APEROL SPRITZ recipes, the first being a 3-2-1 ratio, and the second being a 2-1-1 ratio with a squeeze of fresh orange juice. It's really light, bright, it's bittersweet. I mean, if you're not an APEROL fan, if you don't like those bitter flavors, then if that's the first time you try an APEROL SPRITZ, it will come across as very bitter. But to me, that's light, perfect summer drink, quite refreshing. And then we have the PDT version. Oh, it's actually quite a lot sweeter. You don't get that lingering dryness and the bitterness from the APEROL. That tiny little squeeze of orange juice just adds enough sweetness and it balances it out. If you don't like APEROL, you don't like bitter flavors, then the PDT version is probably the way to go. Now, which one do I recommend? They're both good versions of the APEROL SPRITZ in their own right. If you're a seasoned APEROL SPRITZ drinker, if you like bitter drinks, then go for the 3-2-1 ratio. And if you're not, if you want to introduce yourself to the APEROL SPRITZ, try it with a little squeeze of orange juice. It works really well. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. And stay tuned for tomorrow's Venetian Spritz recipe. Cheers.